Howdy folks, welcome to all the subscribers, old and new. There was a gentleman whose name was Sanford Fillmore Bennett, and he fought in the Civil War, and after that was over with, he returned to his hometown and set up a drugstore, and he had a buddy whose name was Joseph Webster, and Joseph Webster was kind of a moody guy. So he comes into the drugstore one day and he's warming himself over the wood stove and not saying much. So Sanford says to him, "Joe, what's the problem? You don't look very happy." And Joe said, "Well, it'll get better by and by." And it hit Sanford. That would be a great title for a tune. So he grabbed a piece of paper and he scribbled down some words, and he goes over and pokes his buddy Joe, and he says, "Joe, could you compose some music for this song that I just wrote?" So Joe took out his fiddle, and in a few minutes they had knocked together this old gospel tune, which I'm going to try and sing and play for you now. Hope you enjoy it. There's a land that is fairer than day, and by faith we can see it afar, for the Father waits over the way to prepare us a dwelling place there, in the sweet by and by we shall meet on that beautiful shore, in the sweet by and by we shall meet on that beautiful shore. We shall sing on that beautiful shore the melodious songs of the blessed, and our spirits shall sorrow no more, not a sigh for the blessing of rest, in the sweet by and by we shall meet on that beautiful shore, in the sweet by and by we shall meet on that beautiful shore. To our bountiful Father above, we will offer our tribute of praise for the glorious gift of His love, and the blessings that hallow our days, in the sweet by and by we shall meet on that beautiful shore, in the sweet by and by we shall meet on that beautiful shore. folks, I forgot to mention that I learned that song from the singing and playing of Dwight Diller, who is a banjo player from West Virginia. I was fortunate enough to get this cassette tape of his years ago, and on it he sings and plays In the Sweet By and By with a group of 10 high school boys who took it upon themselves to learn a bit about their traditional culture in West Virginia, and they also, each one of them built a dulcimer, so they sing and play this tune on this tape, so that's where I got the idea for this from. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the tune. God bless, and we'll see you next time.